We are going to assemble the fix and rail. Okay guys, we're going to assemble the fix and rail. It comes in majorly 3 to 5 big pieces. So it's pretty simple. All you need is coffee or tea with you and just rubber focus, and then that's it. So basically you have the right and left arm, the top handle, and a couple of hooks, and the base plates, 2 of them. That's all. You're going to need a right set of Allen key, probably comes. It's handy. It also comes with a set of screws and a couple of small Allen keys. The big one will fit, but I will highly recommend use a better quality Allen key which you have at home or get from some hardware store. For demonstration, we're going to try this simple standard version of portable toilets. I think it's 10 or 12 liter. Right, so at the bottom of each arm there's a lock. See this one here? So that's a lock. So when it is not used, it's like closed. So that lock, you just press in, and no, it's not going anywhere. It's locked in right there. See, it's locked in. But when you want to use it, like rail in and out, open that, and there it goes. Simple as. So both sides. First of all, put 2 arms like this, just sitting there, and grab the top handlebar and just put it there. So it stands by itself. Now we're going to use, first of all, the plates. This plate, the small one, comes in the bottom right here, and the bigger one with this little sharp edge, the corner one, goes here, this way. You will see the small holes at the bottom right and left arm. They match with these lines, the cut lines here for both the plates. We'll put them there. Now we'll grab the screws, right, all set of them. Don't forget your hot drink. Now, the most important thing right here is how wide is our portable toilet. If your portable toilet is big and wider, we need to make sure it sits here perfectly. This is the stage where we are going to make sure how wide we need it, because this rail is designed to be wider as well. That's why you have this flexible holes here so it can go wider. Now, other thing is it has to be aligned straight. It cannot go like wider open here and the shoulders are closed. So it needs to be really straight, aligned with the plates and the bars, and then it's super easy. If it's not aligned and if it's not fixed as per the size of the toilet, it can cause some frustration. So one quick advice: before you do any screws, just let it sit there, the portable toilet there, and see it fits right there. It's comfortable, and then that's how we know where we're gonna screw the plates and everything there. You can see that all screws are in there, well aligned with the plate, right? It's straight, it's not wiggly, it's straight. So now we're gonna tie them right there. First make sure they're sitting in the right place, hooked there. Yeah, it's not out, no plate is out, it's in straight position, and that's all we want. You also have 2 screws go here and 2 on this side. Need to make sure when we put these screws in there, the top handle and these 2 arms are aligned. If they little bit wiggle, screws are not going to go in there. So make sure they're tight, but please remember to use the right tool. This is, like most of the time the products, when the extra keys or tools are provided, they never have a good quality. So we need to make sure we have some good tool. You can use them, they're not too bad, but gently, because if you're going to be rough with them, they're going to damage the interface, the hole of the screws. And once they damage, we're stuck. So nice and tight on both sides, and this is ready. Right. So if you loosen that up, then you don't have to use a lock. Simply take it up, take it down. Anyway, that's it. Right. Now we have this hook which will go inside here, just here. So make sure when you put the bar on, these holes facing inside, not outside, because this will go here. Right now, for this hook, and the next we have, that's for the Dometic. That's for most of the Thetfords, but we're using this at the moment. We're going to put it here, just here, and screw it in. You see, it's hanging there nice and tight. This is here. Just unscrew that and just use it when you want to put the toilet in there. Let's check the toilet in there. Here, it's sitting there. I'm going to grab this one because the screw will go on the screw, put in there, just like that. Got a bit tight. Right, now you see, this is nice and tight, sturdy, not going anywhere, and it's fixed. So that here, the portable toilet becomes fixed with the bracket, with the hook. Hook is tight, not going anywhere. Thus, there we are. It's all fixed up. There it is. Nice and smooth. I'm not using locks at the moment. If you use a lock, you see like some sound comes, but at the moment it's just the lock. There it is.